Welcome to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the 5 best Adidas Pickleball 2026, selected for their comfort, durability, and performance. Pickleball and court sports demand quick lateral movements, stability, and cushioning, so the right footwear is essential. Adidas has built a reputation for combining athletic innovation with stylish design, offering shoes that deliver traction, support, and breathability. Whether you're a beginner or a competitive player, this lineup covers lightweight options, versatile sneakers, and running shoes that double for training. Let's explore the top 5 Adidas shoes that bring together performance, comfort, and modern style for athletes everywhere. Number 1. Adidas Women's Court Pickleball. The Adidas Women's Court Pickleball shoe is designed specifically for female athletes who want stability and style on the court. Featuring a durable outsole, it provides excellent traction for quick lateral movements, while the cushioned midsole absorbs shock to reduce fatigue during long matches. The breathable upper ensures ventilation, keeping feet cool and comfortable. Lightweight yet supportive, this shoe enhances agility and confidence, making it ideal for both recreational and competitive players. With Adidas's trusted craftsmanship, the Court Pickleball shoe blends performance with sleek design, offering women dependable footwear that elevates their game while maintaining comfort and durability. Number 2. Adidas Men's Court Flash Pickleball. The Adidas Men's Court Flash Pickleball shoe is built for speed and responsiveness, making it a strong choice for competitive athletes. Its lightweight construction allows for quick movements, while the cushioned midsole provides impact protection during intense rallies. The durable outsole grips indoor and outdoor courts effectively, ensuring stability in fast play. Breathable materials keep feet cool, while the snug fit enhances agility and reduces fatigue. Stylish and performance-driven, the Court Flash embodies Adidas's commitment to innovation, offering men dependable footwear tailored to pickleball's unique demands. It's a versatile option for players who want both comfort and competitive edge. Number 3. Adidas Men's Court Pickleball Sneakers. The Adidas Men's Court Pickleball sneakers combine classic design with modern performance features. Built for durability, they feature a sturdy outsole that provides reliable traction across court surfaces. The cushioned midsole absorbs shock, reducing strain during long matches, while the breathable upper ensures ventilation. Lightweight yet supportive, these sneakers enhance agility and confidence, making them suitable for recreational and competitive play. Adidas's heritage in sports footwear shines through in this model, offering men dependable shoes that balance comfort, style, and performance. With a versatile design, they're ideal for athletes who want footwear that transitions seamlessly from practice to competition. Number 4. Adidas Women's Court Flash Pickleball. The Adidas Women's Court Flash Pickleball shoe is tailored for female athletes seeking speed and comfort. Rated 4.0 stars by users, it features a lightweight design that supports quick movements on the court. The cushioned midsole provides shock absorption, while the durable outsole ensures reliable traction during fast rallies. Breathable materials keep feet cool, even in extended play, while the snug fit enhances agility and reduces fatigue. Stylish and functional, the Court Flash blends Adidas's innovation with modern design, making it a dependable choice for women who want footwear that performs as well as it looks. Perfect for competitive and recreational players alike. Number 5. Adidas Men's Duramo Shoe. The Adidas Men's Duramo shoe offers versatility beyond pickleball, serving as both a training and performance sneaker. Built with a cushioned midsole, it delivers comfort and impact protection during workouts or matches. The durable outsole provides traction across multiple surfaces, while the breathable upper ensures ventilation. Lightweight construction enhances agility, making it suitable for athletes who value flexibility in their footwear. Stylish and practical, the Duramo SL 2.0 reflects Adidas's dedication to innovation, offering men dependable shoes that transition seamlessly from running to court sports. It's a versatile option for players who want all-around performance. That wraps up our list of the 5 best Adidas pickleball and court shoes, 2026. From lightweight designs to versatile sneakers and running shoes, each model offers unique strengths to match your playing style. Check the description for updated prices and details. If you enjoyed this review, Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching and see you on the court. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.